Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to sow iceberg lettuce to get an early harvest. The main rule is that it should be grown through seedlings and not sown directly into the ground, because the soil in the garden warms up around May, and this is already very late for the salad. At this time the sun is already very hot, the day is already long, and the iceberg lettuce that sprouts in the soil will immediately start growing into an arrow with seeds and will not form a head. For sowing iceberg lettuce seeds, you need to purchase either cassettes with a cell volume of 100 milliliters or trays with small cups with a volume of 125 milliliters. This is more than enough. Be sure to use only purchased soil for sowing seeds, for seedlings, or universal soil. It is very loose, moisture absorbing, and the seeds will germinate quickly, and the seedlings will grow healthy. We fill the cups and, using the tools at hand, make a small depression in the soil in the center of the cup, no more than 5 millimeters. Then put one seed in each hole. If you have processed and professional seeds, this guarantees 100% germination. If the seeds are ordinary, then it is better to put 2 seeds in each hole for reinsurance. Then after germination, remove the excess and leave 1 sprout each. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and water them well. My soil is dry, so I water it a little at first so that the top layer of soil is soaked, and then I water it fully. You need to wet the entire soil. I have holes in the bottom of my cups, and the excess moisture will come out of them and collect in this container. Now we need to create good conditions for seed germination. We need to maintain a temperature of about 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and the seeds will germinate very quickly. Seeds do not need light to germinate, but be sure to check every day. As soon as the first shoots appear, we immediately put them on the windowsill or under the lamps in the rack. We lower the cultivation temperature to about 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. And if you are going to grow not on the windowsill but under the lamps, then we illuminate the seedlings for no more than 10 hours. This will be enough. And to find out how to continue growing seedlings, how to plant them, what to feed them with, you will definitely learn in my next videos. So subscribe and do not miss their release. I wish you a good day and see you in the new videos.